Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today you will learn how to enter allowances into your timesheet using our online system, Timefiler. Open the Timefiler app, click on Timesheet, and enter the week that your allowances are for. In this example, we will add a night shift allowance. Click to add worked time and enter your hours. Then click on the arrow next to allowances. Select the allowance you want. Select the quantity you want. Some allowances are paid hourly and others are paid at a flat rate. You will need to check your employment contract for what your allowances are. If you think you should have an allowance but it doesn't show up, please check your contract and contact our payroll team. Save the timesheet. If you have more than one allowance for the worked time, you can add this into your timesheet. You do not need to have worked time to add an allowance. You can also add a comment to explain to your host company why you have claimed that allowance. As always, when you are finished with your timesheet, click Action and Submit. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out our other videos or get in touch if you are having any issues. Haere rā!